In the My Closet section of the app, which you can find by going to the menu and tapping My Closet, you'll find that there are categories. One of the categories is Other. You might find that there are no items listed under Other by default, and the reason is this category is reserved for pieces like an apron, bodysuit, bras, basically any underwear, camisole, a robe, snowsuit, and I'll just scroll through here so that you can see what kinds of pieces you can currently add to Other. To add these items, which are not listed by default in your capsule wardrobe, you can tap on the Add button in My Closet on the corner and start typing any of those items. So let's say that you want to add the underwear that you currently have in your wardrobe. Type in underwear, you'll see the different options for that, and you can add any of those. Let's say that you want to add a new apron that you purchased. You type that in and then select that. Since I already have it added in the app, it's going to show it as an option that I can edit, but usually it would open up a window like this one. So you can add a nickname and add in any other details, whether you have the item, whether you want to prioritize getting it, add a picture of your own item, and any other notes that you want to add. We'll go ahead and leave the example image for now, and we'll add a custom image later. And you'll see your item show up here in the Other tab. If you have additional items that you would like available to add to your closet, please let us know by going to the menu by tapping on your profile and going to Support and Tutorials or Report a Bug or Feature or Request a Feature. That will take you to a form that you can fill out with your suggestion for us to add. Send that off to Frontfighters and we'll consider adding it to the list so it can be a default item that you add to your closet.